Hi, this is Rick Savitsky from Chortek. In this video, I'm going to explain which version of QuickBooks Online you need if you're trying to connect a manufacturing package with QuickBooks Online, QBO. And there's kind of two parts to this video. The quick answer, which is you need Plus or Advanced. If that's all you wanted to know, you can stop and move on to something else. But you can stick on. I'm going to share a little bit more information and also some of the advantages of Advanced that you might want to think about. So with that, again, you need either Plus or Advanced. If you try to connect one of those manufacturing applications to QBO with a lesser edition, either Simple Start or Essentials, it isn't going to work. You may or may not get a helpful error message telling you, hey, you need to be on Advanced or Plus. You might get a very confusing error message. So trust me, you need one of those two editions. It will not work otherwise. Why? In short, it's in Plus or Advanced that you can define an item in QBO world, which allows you to drive where should that revenue hit on the profit and loss statement when you sell something on an invoice to a customer. That's the short version. So how can you learn more about the additions? Intuit makes it very easy, as you can imagine, to upgrade from Plus to Advanced. You can actually downgrade from Advanced down to Plus as well. And I'm going to just share my screen, this URL here. One thing that's helpful on the page is that you can browse over some of the features. I'm not going to cover all of the differences between Advanced and Plus, but you can drill into a little bit more detail from the Intuit webpage. And with that, I'm going to point out from my perspective, if you're a manufacturer, what you'd want to consider and maybe pay the incremental money for Advanced. Workflows, I've got a separate little screen on that in a moment. There's a very powerful bi-directional synchronization tool with Excel and QBO that comes with Advanced. And you may get a lot of value out of that. Additionally, you can define more precise role-based security with Advanced that you have above and beyond all the other additions. So for some manufacturers, that may be actually worth it on its own. And then finally, continuous backup and the ability to restore to any prior point in time once you're on Advanced may turn out to be something very valuable in the future, and you may want to chew on that. So with respect to workflows, here's a sampling of many of the starting templates that come with QuickBooks Advanced. In my perspective, one thing that's helpful is that Intuit keeps adding new templates. That's always, in my experience, a good sign from a software vendor when new ideas or new workflows come out. So here's an example how you can basically have different limits trigger different actions or different approvals, in this case for an invoice. So that's just a taste of it. That's it. So you need Plus or Advanced. Feel free to reach out to Chortek. If you're a manufacturer, we help other manufacturers with their accounting, help get the most out of these combined systems. And we can help you with QBO plus X and X equal to one of these other systems down here. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Bye.